poppin'. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spinning this house. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made a sweater inspired by these Pinterest photos. The material I'm going to use for this project will be hats. I got my hats from different places such as the beauty supply store and Dollar General. They ranged in prices between $1 and $2. I used a total of 14 hats, and out of all 14, I had to seam rip them all and open them up just like this. All of my hats were not the same length, so the ones that were long like this I used for body pieces, and the ones that were short I used for the sleeves. Because I did not buy my hats already cut in the ski mask form, I'm going to be making my own, which is a little more time consuming, but it was fun. Since I was not going to be wearing the ski mask on my face, I wasn't really worried about accuracy too much, but I cut a straight line for the eyes, and then I cut a circular hole for the mouth, and I just hemmed around. After sewing, you can leave your ski mask like this. It's just fine, but I decided to close mine up like this. I did hand sew mine closed instead of the sewing machine, which is perfectly fine as well. After closing up the little nicks at the top and the bottom, I'm going to turn it right side out, and this is what my hat should look like. One hat down, 13 more to go. I will be doing the exact same steps for all 14 hats. After finishing all of my hats, I'm going to go ahead and arrange them on the floor in the pattern that I would like them to be. I'm going to put the arms over here, front and the back. Then I'm going to start laying down the body pieces. I'm going to put the back down first. And I think I should put the two browns away from each other, and then put the front pieces on like this. I think they should go like that. And then I'm going to sew all of the pieces together, but separate. I'm going to sew the sleeve pieces together. I'm going to sew the body pieces together. And then I'm going to come back later and put the two pieces together. I believe that I zigzag stitched everything together. After sewing all my sleeve pieces together, I'm going to take a jacket that I like the size and fit of already and cut it and sew it to that size, making sure to get that curve right all the way up where the shoulder is, because it looked really weird when I did not do that curve. Here I had a couple hats left over, and I thought they would be perfect to use to make the waistband of the sweatshirt. First, I cut the hat in really thick strips, and I opened them up and folded them in half the other way to make thinner strips. Because I had hats in two different colors left over, I'm going to be doing the same thing to this black one, and it will just turn out to be a multicolored waistband. These are all of my pieces finalized. That's going to be the front panel, that's going to be the back panel, the two sleeves are on the side, the waistband is at the bottom, and this is how it should be, with a little bit more zigzagging stitches. And after sewing all the pieces on, I cut a slight smile shape at the top of the shirt so my head will fit through. It was a little more like this big, but this is the final product, and she is just so good that she can be worn in multiple ways. I love how warm it is. It is so warm. I love that I can even wear it backwards. Ooh, and I love the versatility it provides. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man.